Greetings everyone. Tomorrow marks my 41st birthday, and I've been on a delightful journey, experimenting with a little bit of baking recently. So I thought it would be an honour to make my very own birthday cake that I can enjoy with my family and friends on this special day. I had also been planning to bake this cake with my lovely daughter, but unfortunately, she has been ill since her kindergarten orientation a week ago. Without a choice, I had to think on how to make the best of this birthday celebration. Even though I had to miss her company, although sadly she couldn't join me, I still really wanted to make the most of this unforgettable day, even if it felt more challenging with her absence. However, I had never really made a cake from scratch before, so I gathered a bit more information on the internet and made a few crucial trips to the store to buy organic, high-quality cocoa powder to start experimenting with baking some scrumptious chocolate treats, right in the cosy comfort of my very own home. The other night, I made an incredible double chocolate chip cookie, and they turned out to be absolutely mouth-watering. If you happen to be interested in a recipe for these delightful treats, just let me know, and I'll be more than happy to share it with you in a separate video. Today, I've planned to concentrate on making a double-layer chocolate cake topped with a vanilla buttercream icing. I need to use 2 9-inch cake pans, and to preheat the oven to precisely 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the initial part, in a massive bowl, let's combine 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1½ teaspoons of baking soda, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 cup of milk, 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of almond extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 cup of boiling water. After that, I brought everything together using an electric mixer to blend everything in uniformity. Next, grease the cake pans evenly and distribute the batter evenly between them. Following that, bake the cake for an approximate period of 35 minutes. While the cake is baking, I made the icing. In a large bowl, let's combine 1 cup of softened butter, 4.5 cups of powdered sugar, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 5 tablespoons of milk. Use electric beater to mix well. Cover and refrigerate until ready to use. Once the cake has achieved the required baking time, let it cool down for about an additional 30 minutes before gently removing it from the pan. After the cake and icing have cooled down, you can then apply the rich buttercream, icing and design it according to your preference. Enjoy your birthday cake, making the absolute most of this exceptional day with your loved ones.
McDonald's Among Us Chicken Nugget? $30,000. There's no way you'll find that. There's no way.